Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the largest meme coins built on Base Chain. Now this is very well known, they're over $1 billion market cap, and I think that this cryptocurrency could continue to do well as they're leading the meme coin space on Base Chain. So we're going to be talking about that today and why meme coins have so much potential moving forward. Right? You don't have to understand exactly all the detailed information about a cryptocurrency. You just have to understand that it is a meme, right? There may be no use case to it. However, it builds a community and people like that. They like growing with the community and then also making gains along the way. And so we're going to be talking about that here in this video. And so if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the top meme coins by market cap. And so we can see that Dogecoin here is the number one meme coin at $15 billion. And the coin we're talking about today is Brett here. And so they're at $1.3 billion today. And so out of the meme coins here, we can see they are in the top 10, which is very impressive for Brett. They are a partner of the channel, which I am very excited about. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the total top cryptocurrencies by market cap here. And so out of the top 100, right, we're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of major altcoins here. The cryptocurrency that is providing the best returns over the last 30 days is Brett. And so Bitcoin has fallen down substantially. We've seen a lot of altcoins fall down as well. However, Brett here still has 15% gains from 30 days ago. And so this is definitely very impressive. I think this cryptocurrency will do extremely well during the peak of the bull run as it gets a ton of attention. They've been doing a ton of marketing and advertising with major players in the space. And so I definitely think this cryptocurrency has a ton of potential moving forward. If you're interested in buying Brett, this is listed on a ton of different exchanges. And so you can buy a spot here on any of these exchanges. And if you're interested in futures trading, in leverage trading, you can buy it on these exchanges here as well. And so definitely make sure to check those out if you're interested in buying Brett. Now let's take a look at the chart here. We can see that this is up significantly since it launched. Right? We're talking, it's at 12 cents right now. This did go all the way up to about 20 cents. Now it is pulling back with Bitcoin. This may be a good opportunity here as we start coming down to previous resistance here. We can see that is going to be turning into support. We have bounced off it a couple of times in the past. And so we could be seeing that again right around 12 cents. And so that may be a good entry for Brett moving forward, especially as Coinbase continues to push this narrative of Base Chain, as this is the largest meme coin on Base Chain. And so as I mentioned here, they're also doing a ton of marketing and advertising. We can see this is advertised at one of the largest football events out there. They're also launching Brett Bot here as well, which is going to be coming soon. This was just announced yesterday. And so this is a Telegram bot for Brett. And so let's go ahead and take a look at a potential price target for Brett moving forward here. If we do a comparison between Shiba Inu, which is currently trading around a $8.7 billion market cap, we can see that would be a 6.7x. That'd put the price of Brett right around 87 cents. And so I definitely think it's possible for this to go well above $1. And so at the peak of the last bull run, we had Shiba Inu hit an all-time high that was significantly higher. Now if Brett reaches the all-time high of Shiba Inu market cap, we'd be looking at a $4 Brett, which would be about a 32x from the current price where we are today. And so this is definitely possible as well. I'd be looking to hit that dollar first. I think that is a good target for Brett moving forward. Now, as I mentioned, this is built on one of the largest cryptocurrency layer 2s out there, right? So Coinbase has a huge user base. They have over 10 million different users already on the platform, and so it's going to be an easy transition for them to move them over to Base Chain. And so we can see here the daily transactions are still climbing since this was launched, right? Since March, we're at 466,000. Today, the daily transactions are up to 3 million. And so this is good growth on Base Chain. I think this is going to continue to get more and more attention. If we take a look at the users for Coinbase here, we can see that the active users in 2022 were 9 million. And so this is continuing to grow, right? So there's 9 million different users on Coinbase. Right now, the daily transactions are around 3.6 million, so there's a lot of room for growth in the daily transactions. And so especially if we take a look at the daily active addresses here, we can see this is currently at 650,000 daily active addresses. And so this could grow significantly. As more and more people start using Base Chain, they're going to be looking for the top meme coin out there, and that is Brett. It is leading the way. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on Coinbase here. They have introduced smart wallets. Now this makes it very easy to buy these smaller meme coins or coins that are not listed on the larger exchanges yet. And so this is the easiest and fastest way to bring people on chain. And so they are focusing on their Base Chain here as well, we can see this is quick and simple to integrate, easy access to Coinbase balances, easy onboarding with passkey. And so if they have all these users on the Coinbase app already using the platform, to convert them over to Base Chain is going to be very simple. And so they already have that. They're making sure that it is very simple to use. Right? People like Coinbase because it is not complex. Some of the other exchanges out there, Binance, take a little bit of time to get used to. Right? Where Coinbase, extremely simple to use. And so if they can make a simple move to Base Chain, and so I definitely think that's going to be very bullish for cryptocurrencies listed on Base Chain, including Brett. And so in addition to that, we also have Coinbase that has partnered up with Stripe to expand global adoption of crypto, right? And again, we have Coinbase landing 32.5 million US government crypto contract. And so Coinbase is definitely a leader in the space by far, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. And so I think this is very bullish for Base Chain and Brett as we move forward. We're seeing Coinbase also be the custodian for the Bitcoin ETF, right? That is what BlackRock uses. About 70 to 80% of the ETFs out there use Coinbase as the custodian. And so we're going to have the Ethereum ETF launching here in the middle of July. Then we may have a Solana ETF. And then we're going to start getting into cryptocurrency funds, right? Like mutual funds for cryptocurrencies. And I believe that Coinbase is also going to be the custodian for that as well. And so Coinbase is just going to continue to grow. The user base is going to continue to grow with that as more people want to come on chain, or they're buying a lot of these cryptocurrencies from Coinbase. And so this is definitely very bullish for Brett moving forward. And so in addition to this being listed on Base Chain that is supported by Coinbase, there's a ton of advertising going on, right? We have Sneeko and Banks spotted talking about Brett today, right? Sneeko has a following of 833,000 followers. We have Banks here with 2.7 million followers. And so there's a ton of exposure to Brett out there. It is going to be advertised at the Euro Cup. It's going to be on TV ads. And so they're definitely focusing on marketing and advertising. That is how you get the word out about meme coins. That is where the growth comes from. And so they also have a partnership here with Devour as well, where they are accepting Brett for their payments from Coinbase Commerce integration. Right, and so there's a ton of growth happening with Brett. There's a lot of advertising taking place, and this is where we see a lot of these meme coins do extremely well. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.